Oo nga eh. 1 out of 2 para dito kay Ranedel De Ocampo. Si De Ocampo, yun pa lang ang pangatlong puntos niya dito sa ating ball game.
Ang laki ng ini-expect nila from Ranidel De Ocampo. And we were watching the Ranidel.
Ito na naman, labas na naman kayo.
Pero napigil doon sa dulo. More of bitin ang layup ni Brandon Cablay doon. Sinuwerte pa ang Air 21. It's an 11-point lead. Arwin Santos, his jumper, taas nung...
There was contact. Definitely there was contact. Kaya
taas nung release ko kay Arwin din. Talagang nakalapit talaga ang kalaban eh.
Pang-apat na foul na yan. Itong si Salvador. And Arwin Santos continues to be
Flawless.
immaculate.
Flawless pa rin ba?
Throw line.
Palitan na naman ng tao. Doug Kramer, upo. Erwin Soto, pasok. Tulakan sa rebound. Di maunahan at John Del Salvador. But the basket was made. Richard G. Nicolanete to Richard G.
Some people just made this run with Raymundo and Yak sitting down.
Richard G makes his move. Going to the basket. Drops it off. Reverse. Parang dali ng buhay, ano?
Sabi nga, parang ano eh, parang mindset ng Giants.
Good chemistry sa play na yun. Napakita nila ang kanilang sync. Ito si Arm. Out of sync naman yun. Nicolanete leading the pack. Kinaliwan lang to avoid the defense. Linarupa sa ere. Oh.
13 ulit ang abante ng Pure Foods dito.
So, biggest lead na yan ulit. Para sa Pure Foods TJ Giants. So, marami pang oras dito. 9 minutes and 53 remaining in the game. So, lots of time for Air 21 to recover. Pero hindi sila maka-explicate. Dropping it off to Arwin. Naiwan pa yung bola. Ganda na nung pasa. Pero naiwan yung bola. Traveling pa nangyari rito. Di maunahan out. Arboleda in para iwan. At wala eh. Out of sync yung opensa. Kaya change at point guard. Tingnan natin kung kaya ni Winnie.
Palitan natin yung ano tawag yung baton master.
Baton master.
Conductor.
Kasi Chico Lanete eh. Madali lalaro eh. Here's Lanete once again. Tried to be acrobatic on the play. Didn't work. Erwin Soto, point guard. Pinunta na rito kay Winnie Arboleda. To Canaleta.
Wala eh.
Wala talaga eh.
Mawawala pa sa kanilang bola.
What can we say? What can we say when a high flyer like Canaleta eh hindi papasok ang tirang gano'n?
Yun na nga. Well, sabi siya, parang danger sign pa to sa Air 21 dahil shock troopers itong nasa floor para sa Pure Foods eh.
Tama yun. Here's John Dan Salvador to Richard G. G going baseline. Spin move. Nakakuha ng foul si Richard G. And very unorthodox yung kanyang pagpihit doon. Pero
okay lang. May scoring opportunity with Richard G. Canaleta ang nakadagil sa kanya third foul. Ito si Nino Canaleta and G. Dalawang free throws ang ibibigay.
First Richard G, second generation player. Alam naman natin ang kanyang Gilbis Gin nung panahon, di ba?
San Miguel Beer yun.
San Miguel Beer.
San Miguel Beer.
Si Jess.
Miguel Bean.
Miguel Bean, Giving a point.
Sabay pa yan eh. Si Miguel Bean, si Leonardo Paguntalan. Mga
kasama doon.
Santiago Capa, Alintong.
Erwin Soto's jumper doesn't go. Ranidel, nakuha ng offensive rebound. Marvin Cruz takes a 15-foot jumper. Wala pa rin yan, pero nakuha niya kanyang
ay, tinulak mo yung bata.
rebound at Quintimon. Binura si Marvin Cruz from the floor. Pero the young guy gets up right away. No harm. Fresh shot clock para sa Air 21. Bukas yung Arboleda mula sa kaliwa, but it's take it. Ranidel towards the basket. He goes up. Hangs in the air. Bitin na naman ang kanyang tira.
Only 3 points in the ball game para kay Ranedel. Is so committed na sa kanyang laro at si Arwin Santos matatawagan pa ng pang-apat na foul dito.
Ang rhythm ni Ranidel De Ocampo, I wonder what's bothering ito si Ranidel De Ocampo. Frustration na pinapakita niya. We have a 30-second timeout. Tinawag ng Air 21. 8:22 remaining sa laro natin. 14-point lead na. Biggest of the ball game para rito sa Pure Foods TJ Giants. Kailangan na mag-run ang Air 21 very soon, Barry. We have attention to the graduates of Class 57 of Pangasinan Provincial High School. There will be a Golden Jubilee on November 16 to 19, 2007 in Lingayen, Pangasinan. For more details, contact Miss Elsie Cruz, 7399.
Well, alumni, ako, Mapua High School, meron kaming grand reunion dyan sa Quezon City Sports Club sa November 30, 5:30. Mga klase ko, punta kayo.
Ayan, mga mapuan. Join Barry. Para makilala naman si Barry Pasqua. Di ba? Yan ang sikat ngayon eh. Pag-umpisa na ating laro na naman eh. Pure Foods is called for Jun Simon. 8 minutes and 8 remaining. Air 21 naghahabol 14 points. Tingnan natin. Alam mo itong Air 21 was averaging 100 plus points in their first few ball games. They only scored a very low output sa kanilang huling laro.
85.
85.
Wow.
Ngayon, nasa 64 sila. So, something's wrong. Di ba? Yung kanilang opensa eh.
Yung kanilang opensa eh. And, well, since sumali ang Air 21 sa PBA, it has always been known as a high-scoring team.
Running team, easy baskets, early offense, di ba? Pero Chico lang eh. Sabi niya, kaya ko rin yan. Di ba? Rookie ba ito? Rookie ba ito?
Wala nang rookie dito sa Pure Foods eh.
Parang hindi. Veteranong-veterano ang moves eh. 7 and 25 remaining in the ball game. Air 21 places another opportunity.
Kasi matagal na naman na-draft itong si Chico Lanete. Hindi lang siya napapirma ng kontrata and he went back to the amateurs, play for Harbor Center. Isang conference na siyang best player eh.
Feeling it ito sila Nete pero hindi pumasok ang kanyang 3-point attempt. Ito si Arboleda, pinigay kay Marvin Cruz, a 2-point guard in the ball. And Marvin Cruz loses the ball. Labas dito kay Ranidel, 3-point attempt. Bitin nyo, kitang-kita. Bitin talaga eh. And Pure Foods one more time on the rebound. Jonathan Salvador. They're rushing it up. Ito si Peter John Simon. To Richard G. 14-foot.
Ang Ursunada pa.
Stand-still jumper. Up ahead to Arwin Santos. Easy basket na naman.
Sabi, hindi na magpapaposter sa'yo. Sabi ni Peter John Simon,
sige.
bahala ka. Baka dumakda ka. Makuhanan tayo ng picture. Kawawa naman
Ayoko kasama ko sa picture.
Ayoko.
80 to 66, down to 14. 6 minutes and 25 remaining in the ball game. Jonathan Salvador, laban kay Ranidel de Ocampo. Irwin Santos diving for the ball. Ayan, you want to see that from your star player. At ito, Garchi Ferrer, our referee. Tumawag rito, foul.
Ako, pang-5 na yun ni Jonathan Salvador. Palitan na siya eh.
Si Sergio
Ang
Abbas.
pinalita ni...
Lanete, upo. Pasok ulit si Roger Yap. Arboleda for 3. In and out. Malas.
At even with 5 rebounds, 5 fouls, kumukuha pa ng rebounds ito si Jonathan Salvador.
Kirby Raimundo, just off the bench.
What more can you say?
Oo eh.
Ganun lang, hindi na niya hinintay mga kamping buwabay. Kaya ko na to, okay na to.
Hindi kailangan pawisan ng
Hindi na,
konti. Walang
okay na.
warm up. Pero patawag na naman ng 30-second penalty sapagkat ang lamang 16 points na. 82 to 66. With
And we're
time
in the
dwindling.
halfway mark ito
Oo,
ating
eh.
fourth quarter.
Time dwindling. 5:56 remaining na lang. At ang itong Air 21, hirap na hirap makahanap ng opensa sa larong ito, especially here in the second half. As you see, Chico Lanete.
Now at Abide.
Ayan ang bida dahil buhay coke shot ito. From Chico Lanete going to the basket and scooping it in. That was lahat ng shots magaganda at walang katulad. Kaya ang buhay coke shot mo.
Ang daming kanina. Parang ang daming picture nitong si Chico Lanete doon sa drive na yon.
Ganda kasi ng drive. Open yung lane. Marvin Cruz stays here at the end line. Pero aggressive hands. Peter Jun Simon, Roger Yap, James Yap. Continues scoring.
19 points a game para dito kay 22 na pala para
22
dito
na,
kay Peter
bumente
Jun
na eh.
Simon. Oo.
Bumente na nung third. Ano nangyari? Technical foul.
Delay of game na naman to eh.
For the third time.
Technical foul on the Pure Foods TJ Giants.
And the second time rin sa sila. Kanina, technical was on Air 21. So yung magkabilang team, natawagan na natin.
Technical doon sa delay of game.
So JC Intal ang titira ng technical free throw. And he gets that to bring the lead down to 17, 84 to 67. Looking good itong Pure Foods sa TJ Giants. Chemistry nila evident sa larong ito. Ranidel to Winnie Arboleda. Naghanap ng pumabokse. Nobody there. Ito si Ranidel goes up in the lane.